So friends, welcome to another video where I am going to share how I did this scary character. Yes, I am back with again a scary character. This time I actually built this character. So in the end, do tell me how it was and how you can tell me. Go down, first subscribe, then comment. So now let's begin with the video. So first, when I was thinking about of this character, I didn't had a clue to draw which scary character, so I tried a lot. So that time I thought of making a cute little girl into a horror ghost who is just peeping at you from behind the trees. So let's go in the process and the story so that you can relate with the drawing and feel scared. That's the motive of this video. Do like, share and subscribe the video. A girl named Lily with her family used to live in a farm. It was an abandoned place where no one used to go. Wherever you can see was the greenery. In their little cottage, they had a big tree. That was Lily's ultimate friend. She used to talk, she used to share, she used to sleep, she used to do everything with that tree. They were good friends. She named it too Mr. Tree. Mr. Tree. Yes, Lily's Mr. Tree. One day, something happened and little cruel people tried to burn that place. In that accident, her mom and dad died. But as she was near the tree, she was safe. But they were so cruel that they tried to kill her too. And they did ultimately. But after a few days, when they came back to destroy the place and make their own thing, there was a girl looking or peeping from behind the trees. She was none other than the Lily. This time she was not cute. This time she was not cute, pretty, but she was the ghost who wanted that revenge from that cruel peoples who just made this happen. But as always, she was near the Mr. Tree. She was peeping from there. She had dark, burned eyes. She had that wicked smile, which clearly told that she wanted the revenge. Mr. Tree was strong and she was really happy to see Mr. Tree. She was comfortable with Mr. Tree. That's why after dying also she was back at that place near Mr. Tree. Yes. This time no one could kill her. This time no one could take her place. This time no one could cut that tree. This time she was the ultimate power. She was the ultimate power. She will kill everyone, whoever comes near her tree. Hope so you like the story. Otherwise, Lily will be behind you. Please don't look back now. Go down, subscribe first. Then follow me on Instagram. otherwise really will be near your tree, near your wall. Okay, so be aware of it. Thank you guys. Signing off.
Are you afraid of the dark? Are you scared?